Hey guys, in the last video we created our populate DB page with the add user page, and this time we're gonna add the input validation. Right now I could add anything to email and it will still work. Blazor actually has a really cool feature that lets you add input validation without having to write like the code to like display the error message and all that stuff. So let's just add it. So first we're gonna put everything in between an edit form, and we're gonna close it. Then we have to add the data annotation validator and validation summary. So this one is the one that validates, and this one gives you the summary of like what the error is. So then we go to our, so if we remember, this is a person model, so we're gonna go here. I already added them, but basically for int I'm adding a range from 1 to 99, and if you don't enter that, I'm saying please enter your this is the error message. Please enter your real age. For last name, it's the same. I just require it. And if you see, there's a really cool one for the email address. There's an email address one that you can use. And for these ones, you can add a regex or add a string length min and max and put different errors. But we're gonna keep it simple. But yeah, look into it. Like if you just Google input validation Blazor, it gives you like the class and like all the different stuff you can do. So after that, we're gonna change our inputs to input text. I don't feel like typing it all over again, so I'm just gonna copy and paste, but I'll go over it. So in here we changed to input text, and we left the class form so it looks the same. We bind the value to our first name for first name, and then we say validation message, and we just say once again the object, and we do the same for all of them. So after that, we're just gonna run it. And now if I go to email and just type in letter, it'll say please validate, enter your email address, please enter valid email address, and you can have it that on valid, so like when all these fields are valid, so first name, see if first name is required and so on. Age, if I enter 7 is fine. However, if I enter 7, it says please enter your real age, so it takes care of all of those. And you can make it that like when all of them are valid, it enables a button. So like by doing that, you do that by doing on at the top in the edit form, you do onValid submit. So in here you can do like submit form for async, and then you create this function that would either enable disable the button, or you can make it that it automatically submits. So yeah, that's how you add input validation in Blazor. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.